Ki paidbah jo ke jala Meghalaya haksin ka banengkong kin sayo ban sakhi ya ka Sea World Carnival ka sedang nadu kan riu tarik uleber ahjar arpun riu SRGT Polo parking lot Shillong ya kini ka yaula penlong da ka MS Disneyland Mela OPC Private Limited man peni ya palat shispa jaj ki jaj dohkha na keleng saudong habakren berkinong tok kubor ha ke jingdon lang state president ubadairu director ka MS Disneyland Mela Private Limited ulapan pawik jing longkong san jong ka carnival da ka ba penyalu jor bat ki wei jaka pej kai ki badon ha Dubai bat Singapore ka carnival kan peni ya ki ba bunjat ki dohkha ba phla ki ba kentup ya ki lion head parrot fish elephant nose fish angel fish albino fish, arowana fish, arapaima bat kiwe ba lashna kerpang yakini kijaka bu dohkha bat hakarukam kaba itnat kaba kring ban pensyok biet iki ba one page bat labu ru yaki breu ke bat tebit hakaban aibam bat ri ban sumar ya kitei dohkha Shushu Shamin Sheikh ula pentipru ba kabairung na kabenta ka Sea World Carnival kadai laipo dengka kadba kabairung sya kejaka ba hapo ban page iki dohkha kadai arspa dengka kane ke carnival kanne hadu ke santarik uyayong bat kanlong kawei na kijing syam ba kerpang jong kinong syong sinong kanong ba Shillong lalor kata ka jakapet kai ba hapo ke carnival kandon ru ikidukan kiban peni paidbah ikitiar snakti baru kisuki kimei kumjuru labu ya bunjat kijingela kai na kepenja ki khna bat kirangba bat baro kini kijingla kai ladap penbit penbiang
Hello. I will talk to you.
My name is Alankeshwar Bhaskar. I am a manager and in charge over here. And he is Mr. Shamim Sheikh, director, Disneyland Mela Private Limited. He is organizing this event. And this type of event is only first time of its kind in Meghalaya. Right now, you have any questions, you can ask. Basically, I am from Chandigarh, and this tunnel belongs to Hyderabad. And he is the organizer, and he contacted us for this event to be organized in the Meghalaya. Over here, the main purpose is to let the Shillongis can enjoy this event.
So it will be a free entry or
ticket? No, the charges will be 200 per person, and the Mela entry will be only 30.
Can you highlight a bit about these fishes?
We have more than 150 of varieties of fishes right now with us, and approximately it will be around more than 1 lakh fishes with us right now. And we have the quarantine center, we have the hospital for this, and we have the trained team members with us and with the doctor along.
Can you mention some of the popular species?
We have arowana, we have koi carp, and we have a main eye stopper is our aropoma fish, which cost 8 lakh rupees, approximately 8 lakh rupees. That is at the last of that tunnel, and we are having 4 with us right now.
When will this start?
By tomorrow,
How many days?
it will last up to 5th of April.
So what is your expectation? Whether they will draw the crowd to come and see?
Expectation is nothing. It will be depend on your support, the moral support from the public and the moral support of the Sri Lankan people. This is the first kind of a different event we are going to conduct here. Here we are exhibiting from 1 inch fish to 5 feet fish along with us.
Can you share your experience, the last experience of the last members?
First we run our show at Boragaon, Guwahati. Very excellent response from the public. Similarly, we have another team with us, that is the mermaid show with us. The girls came from Thailand. They are experts scuba diving. They are expert in mermaid performances.
Is there any discount for school students?
Right now, we are not offering it, but after 10 or 15 days, we will definitely. We are working on it, and we will get in touch with the schools and the institutions also. For the army persons also, we are also thinking about giving the discount.
These 200 per head will be only for adult or for children?
No, 200 is for the general public, and the age should be age is like 3 up to 3 years it's free, and above 3 it's a full ticket. And along this aquarium show, and can also enjoy the rides, different rides, and we are also coming with an expo with the international shops also.
Sir, can you tell us what is the
Main objective to get the Meghalaya peoples look how other India is. We are in this event line, and we are exhibiting in all over India.
Actually, you can watch or you can keep some fishes in your home. But whereas we are showing lot of variety of the fishes here, more than 150 varieties is here, and more than 1 lakh fishes is available here. Some fishes in quarantine. We are maintaining filtration system. We are maintaining clean and hygienic system. And similarly, this kind of fishes you can't see in Meghalaya, not even Assam also. Some fishes from Amazon River, some fishes from Nile River, and some fishes from Korea also we bring. Japan also, this koi carp from Japan. So different kind of fishes is there. And similarly, it is very good for children also. This is on scientific and scientific tour.
On in India, and you can also, if you want to see like this, you have to go to Dubai or Singapore, and we are now in your city at the very normal cost. If you go to Dubai, they charge 6,000. We are presenting it only for 200. Local administration has given the support, but some there is a no entry and logical. We are getting delayed by one or actually we are planning to open it by 5th, but for that reason we have delayed by 1 or 2 days.
Due to
Transportations and all the
and some technical glitches there.
this needs a special vehicle and a special treatment, and all things is a special kind of to maintain this event.
Carrying the live fishes is along with oxygen support, just like the ambulance vehicle. After that, we are carrying from one place to one place. We keep in quarantine, and we maintain oxygen levels, and we maintain aeration levels should be good.